Linear programming problem and its mathematical formulation. Let us analyze the example what we have discussed now. In this example, we observe the dealer can invest his money in buying tables or chairs or combination. Further, he would earn different profits by following different investment strategies. There are certain overriding conditions or constraints, that is, his investment is limited to a maximum of Rs 50,000 and his storage space is for maximum of 60 pieces. Suppose if he wants to buy only tables, no chairs, then he can buy total 20 tables and profit in this case will be Rs 5,000. Suppose if he decides to buy only chairs, no tables, then with his capital he can buy 100 chairs, but he can store only 60 pieces. Therefore, profit in this case will be Rs 4,500. There are many other possibilities also. For example, he may choose to buy 10 tables and 50 chairs as he can store only 60 pieces. Total profit in this case will be Rs 6,250. Therefore, the main problem is here, how should he invest his money in order to get maximum profit? Mathematical formulation of the problem. Let X be the number of tables and Y be the number of chairs that the dealer buys. Now, both X and Y are greater than 0. Now, the dealer is constrained by the maximum amount he can invest and by the maximum number of items he can store. Therefore, mathematical statement for the given condition is 2500x plus 500y must be less than or equal to 50,000, which is investment constraint. 5x plus y is less than or is equal to 100 and x plus y less than or is equal to 60. The dealer wants to invest in such a way so as to maximize his profit. That is, z is equal to 250x plus 75y. This function is called objective function. So, we have to maximize the linear function z subject to certain conditions determined by a set of linear inequalities with variables as non-negative. Such problems are called linear programming problems. Therefore, a linear programming problem is one that is concerned with finding the optimal value, which can be maximum or minimal value of a linear function. That function is called objective function of several variables, for example x and y, subject to the conditions that the variables are non-negative and satisfy a set of linear inequalities called linear constraints. The term linear implies that all the mathematical relations used in the problem are linear relations, while the term programming refers to the method of determining a particular program or plan of action.